Enzo Maresca. Oya, sit down. Sit down well. Na me and you na im get dis talk today. Oya, take mic. Take mic. As I dey ask you the question now, you dey answer am fast, 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 because I'm tired. I'm fed up. Why you no play Estevao as second half dey start as you comot Palmer? Why you no play Estevao? Okay, you have nothing to say. You see this Enzo Maresca, I just don't know what Estevao did to him. I don't know wetin Estevao do this man. People are saying he's trying to manage him, you don't want to give him make him play ball joor, you don't want to give this. Why he sign am? Why he sign am? Is he an injury prone? No. He no get injury. Okay, you understand Kopama is injured, you are trying to manage his game time. Estevao is not injured. Yes, we also know that he comes from Brazilian league, from South America to England, another city, another continent, new weather and all those stuff. We are in December. He came in August. He has stayed August, September, October, November. He has stayed 4 months. We are in December. Na for bench na im go take dey understand how Premier League dey, no be for matches. Then you come dey convince us, dey give am 10 minutes, 5 minutes make him play. That all those 10 minutes, 5 minutes wey be say Chelsea go dey under pressure, na you go put am make him come do magic. Then if he come do one mistake, you go use am fire am. Against Leeds, welcome to Leeds. You dey tell 18 years old boy, you dey mock am, you dey tell am welcome to Leeds. So then the Garnacho and the Gittens wey dey use dey play ball every day, how many goals they don score for you? Estevao never play, and I'm not sure why he don play 90 minutes for Chelsea, but Champions League he don score 3 goals. Let's say all im goals for Chelsea don reach 5. Garnacho plus Gittins, they are two together, how many goals they don give you? You show me that I say those two people never score reach 3 goals. But you dey give them game time. You dey give them game time. You leave blessed child wey dem born on Sunday, blessed child wey dey serve God jejejeje. If you be babalawo, tell us o, Enzo Maresca. If you be babalawo, you no like as you dey serve God, let us know. Play Estevao for us. If dem no give Lamine Yamal game time, we no go know am for Barcelona. You no go be dis king wey im be now. Give Estevao playing time. If you no wan start am, no problem. Give am dat kind 45 minutes, 30 minutes, make him perform. Thank you.